Hello and welcome. My name is Lena, and today we're going to talk about the importance of an easy-to-use interface in contract management. In this video, I'll show you how the contract view is structured in ContractHero. To do this, I either access a contract via the contract list or through the dashboard. Here in this area, I see the so-called contract datasheet. Here I can see the category, status, as well as all other information about a contract. The advantage of this contract data sheet is that while it can be detailed depending on individual configuration, it is always more clearly organized than the contract itself. Here on the right, I can see all the documents, or if there are multiple documents, I immediately see this page and can select the relevant document or add another document. Then below that, I see a summary again. This is an AI-generated summary either of the individual document, or in this case, it would be of the individual document. If there are multiple documents, then here it would be a summary of all documents accordingly. By clicking further, I get to the individual tasks for each contract. In the Signature tab, I find all the information about the signature. The approval also refers to the signature process. Below this, I then have the linking. Here I could now create a hierarchy of contracts or linked contracts, meaning contracts that are related to each other, for example, a framework agreement and subordinate sub-agreements, or different versions of a contract over the years. And under activity, I always see the change log. Whoever uploaded a contract, but also, for example, if changes were made to a contract. And you can also leave someone a comment here. The goal is for you and your team to quickly find your way around every contract and have all relevant information at a glance. The unified contract view ensures that ContractHero remains easy to understand. You don't have to search from scratch every time, whether you log in once a day or once a quarter. And this contract overview then serves for comprehensive contract sorting or contract management, not just at the contract level, but truly across all contracts and all company divisions. If you want to bring more structure to contract management in your company, book a demo using the link in the description. Thank you very much for watching.